Good morning, Professor. We are a group of four people. So today we'll be talking about, a knowledge management system, KMS, training help desk. So, a lot of employees struggle with KMS, how to use it, and they have a lot of trouble with that. So to solve this problem, we created a KMS training help desk website. So this is a place like, for example, this site acts like a centralized hub, where anyone can stop. It's like a one-stop solution where all your training needs, all your KMS training and support resources are available. So the idea was to make learning and troubleshooting more accessible and seamless for every staff member. We have included a wide range of materials in this, to cater to different needs of different employees. For example, we have, instructional videos for visual learners. Then we got step-by-step guides for, those who love who prefer written instructions. Then I have like a searchable knowledge base and FAQs to answer common questions quickly. We also integrated interactive support features, such as what you call submit ticket, which means that allows employees to lodge in complaints. For example, if they don't understand anything, they can just go to submit ticket option and they can just lodge in their whatever problem they have. Next, we also have a view status of your ticket section where you can track, where where exactly is your request, at which stage it is, and you can monitor it in live time. Additionally, we have also, we've added alerts for what you call known problems, which proactively, informs users about system issues. So this pretty much reduces repeated, tickets and improving and overall improves communication and across teams. Uh, so pretty much by combining these, training tools with real-time support features, this helpdesk site doesn't just solve problems. Just the only purpose of it is not to just solve problems. It actively promotes the adoption of KMS platform into every organization. Next, I will tell you what I did in this website. My part, my role. So one of the key technical features which I implemented was a section level permission. For example, training resources and FAQ sections are set to read only for journal users, while for administrators they have the option to edit it. Like if they don't like something, they can edit it. Next, I would say the whole design of the website. I was responsible for doing that. Uh, Even like the training tutorial section or submit a ticket and alerts and known issues, they all, I'm the one responsible for, architecting them. Also, to regulate access, I use SharePoint's permission groups, assigning users to roles and like contributors, viewers, or admins. This ensures that sensitive comments such as troubleshooting documentation or backend application logic is not visible to everyone. Only the person who did that, for example, the owners of this website, can only see that. The regular public cannot see that. So, and lastly, I would say I added quick links and a clean menu structure to make sure that users can easily navigate the website without having any problems. So it is like pretty straightforward, pretty easy, and pretty user friendly, so that everybody actually enjoys using this. Uh, that's from me. My team member Anika will take you from here.
Thank you, Abhimanyu. As a team member too, I'll talk about metadata and content of organization. In this, as a team member, was concerned with uploading and tagging files such as tutorials, readings, and video sequences when using the KMS. We categorize these resources by topics such as getting started, advanced features, and troubleshooting to make navigation intuitive. As a member, also developed a method that update contents as frequently as possible based on users' request and the KMS platform changing requirements. Now, further, I hand over the other thing to my team member 3, Damayanti. Thank you.
Hi, Professor. And I'm enable search functionality so employees can find relevant resources, including tutorials and frequent asked questions within a short period. I optimize the search filter based on the content type and keywords like guide and troubleshooting. I also ensure that it is user friendly by making the navigation allowing both new and experienced users to easily access resources and use the submit ticket features. For next, I would like to call Siddharth.
Hello, Professor. I am team member 4. So I am here to talking about the my role in this website. So I am handling the team integration, collaboration features and alerts. So in this, uh, I am connected to the SharePoint site to Microsoft Teams, so employee could access the site in the Teams interface without hassle. They introduce a collaboration option, a discussion board, a comment section, a facilitated peer-to-peer interaction and feedback. They were engaged in unifying to submit the ticket and view the status of your ticket functions, where it was possible to report the problem, monitor the progress, and get alerts about the errors. Uh, so I also established the procedure for dealing with alerts and known issue so that they were made known to the system user in case of system outage or any other problem. So moreover, we also added some frequently asked question in this one, and you can see the self-help resource training center on this side. And in the last, we also develop a IT help desk during the IT hours, in which some of are regarding to software and device, two member are regarding to security and data protection, and another two members are regarding to help desk managers. That's all for the team, and now we will continue with the PowerPoint presentation. Thank you, Professor. So this is our PowerPoint presentation. So I am requesting to my team leader that he will start with with introduction and all.
Thank you, Sadant. So, Professor, like I said, so the topic of our website is, KMS Training Help Desk. So pretty much what it does is, like I said, employees that have trouble using KMS and navigating it, we are going to help them, you know, with a website where they can easily access materials and learn how to use KMS. So not only that they learn, but it's fun for them, and every organization can adopt it. Next slide, please. All right, thank you, Sadant. Okay, so what is the agenda of this whole presentation? So a quick overview of what we'll be discussing today and covering today will be, we'll begin with an introduction, to the business scenario. For example, which people, which companies, or what kind of employees will benefit from our website, from a KMS help desk solution. Next, we'll discuss the key features of this of our website. For example, troubleshooting or ticket, raise a ticket or track your ticket. Next, you know, yeah. So pretty much that's about it. We just gonna. This is the overview of our whole presentation. Next slide, please. Okay, so let's get straight into the business scenario. So, the idea of KMS training help desk comes from a common challenge. Employees are struggling to navigate the KMS system. You know, so we are trying to make a centralized system where all the employees can access common materials that will help them. So we dedicate we created a dedicated uh, training and support portal uh, inside Microsoft Teams using SharePoint. So pretty much the site brings everything, all the knowledge, all the resources that employees can use to better navigate through their KMS journey. That's from me. Anika will take you from here.
Thank you, Abhimanyu. Now, in our case today, I would like to give a brief tour of our known code app that we created with Microsoft SharePoint in Teams. Ultimately, simplicity of use and fast development was the main concept of this application, and we managed to do it without any coding. We established an interactive training hub which turned into a single resources center where workers could get access to tutorials, step by step guides. These assistants everybody to understand the use of KMS in a seamless way. We have also incorporated the availability of tickets, whereby employees can report with ease on any problem at they may encounter, and it requires just a couple of clicks so that can write what a wrong, add screenshot and send it anyway. The best part in this, like the application is mobile friendly and it is effective whether you are on desktop or you see your phone. It becomes convenient to get employee assistant at any place at any time. Next slide please. So next, the setup and personalization site. To maintain the level of security and maintain a professional environment, we ensured that we made the SharePoint site a closed area. This implies that the only team members who can access it are authorized ones. We also defined rights by roles. That is, the admins were able to manage site and employees were able to use learning resources and ticket system. We also include the KMS logo in order to give the sites some appearance officially and as to compile with our brand. This created a neat and professional image to the site. Of course, mobile optimization was important as well. We tried to test everything so that entire site could be perfectly viewed in smartphones and tablets and not just in the computers. Next slide please. So in next option to create a ticket. The submit ticket system is one of the most useful additions that we made. It could not get any easier. The worker may enter what bothered them or send a ticket with the attachment files and screenshots. We have also introduced categories to enable them to select the type of problem, say technical problems and questions related to training aspects. This will make our support team act more promptly. The users also has the possibility to assign a priority level, low, medium or high, depend on the urgency of the problem. Lastly, the system has a track facility so that when the employees has submitted a ticket, he or she can log in at any time and track the status or whether the problem has been solved. Thus, in the closing, here this is no code application assisted us in the development of the central secure user friendly system of support without teaching user to code. Everyone in the organization has found it easier to learn and obtain assistance with regard to KMS. Thank you, and the next partner of my team member will continue further, and that is Damayanti.
Thank you, Anika. And I would like to talk about next slide, please. Oh, this one. Okay. View status of your ticket. Once an employee submits a ticket, the next important step is knowing what is happening within it. That is where the view status of your tickets features come in. It allows users to track the real-time progress of their request, whether it is pending, in progress, or resolved. This reduces uncertainty, avoid repeated follow-ups, and build trust in the help desk systems. It allows encourage accountability on the backend, and as help desk staff cannot let ticket is announced. Next slide, please. Alerts and non-issues. Next is the alert and non-issues section. This part is of the app work like a digital bulletin board. If there is a system bug, its server issue or delay in training module, employees are notified here immediately. This transparency reduces confusion and prevent multiple people from submitting tickets from the same non-problem. It is especially useful in large organizations where many users totally depends on the same training content. Next slide, please. The FAQ section. The FAQ section provides instant answer to common questions like how to access training, what to do if a course will not load, or how to reset login ID password. This empowers employees to troubleshoot without waiting for support. For the help desk, it means fewer incoming tickets, allowing the team to focus on complex issues. It also, because the app is built with a non-code platform, updating or adding new question and answer in a quick and easy way, even for non-technical staff. For next slides, Siddharth is going to explain it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Damayanti. So the next one is training resources and tutorials. So in this one, there are four steps like resource centralization, interactive tutorial, step-by-step guides, mobile friendly access. So in the first one, for the resource centralization, all the grouped training in resources in one accessible location, which is very helpful. Second one is interactive tutorial, in which tutorial video provided and step-by-step guide also provided on hand for the hands-on learning activities. Third one is step-by-step guides include in which in this one it's clear instruction on how to navigate with the KMS features. And for the last one, mobile friendly access, ensure that we will ensure that the training content was easily viewable on mobile devices. On the another one, here are on this one you can see the welcome to the knowledge sharing help desk, in which we provided four different structure like live demo, responsive design demonstrated, search functionality, and submit ticket demo. In the so I am just go requesting to my group member one Abhimanyu, so to uh, elaborate this one slide.
Uh, Thank you, Siddhant. All right, so I'm gonna just basically tell you what my experience was, my whole experience during this project. Like I said, my responsibility was creating, the site structure, come up with the whole architect of the website, uh, which thing is gonna be placed where. So pretty much that was my role. Uh, you know, uh, I would say I had a positive experience. I had to learn. I've never done something like this in my life before. This was the first time when I created a website like this. So, and was a part of creating a website like this. So I had, a lot of fun doing that. Next, I would say challenges. For sure, faced some challenges like, for example, I did not know exactly where I'm going to place or what. For example, which section heading should go where, and at what side of the page should it be there. How should I design those subheadings and subsections? So, I would say that was pretty much the only challenge. But I talked to some of my colleagues. I went on the internet. I came up with ideas. I looked at ideas, and overall, I found a solution, and it was a positive learning experience for me. So that's all from me. And my teammate Anika will tell her experience now.
You are muted. Your voice is not here.
Thank you, Abhimanyu. Next, I'm just talking about like the responsibilities. Most importantly, focused on uploading content, which is really generally important, and that tagging with the metadata or operating facts, and these all are in this website we are doing. And next is experience. Yeah, it's a good experience by doing work with all my members, and the project informative, and it's really good skilled. And next, if the I talk about the challenges, we struggle with struggling contact to ease, but we are able to complete this properly. And in next, if I talk about last, about the conclusion, it's positive experience, useful and learning, which is very good for organizational things. And next, I would like to further talk my next member, Damayanti, to continue.
Thank you, Anika. Now I'm talking about my responsibility and I worked on a source functionality, mobile integration, and user experience. And my experience was I enjoyed improving user experience through initiative search design, and I faced some challenges like some difficulties in mobile optimization for consistent search results. And overall, appreciated the project collaborative nature and overall success in UX design. Thank you. For next, I would like to call Siddharth.
So in the next slide, I am sharing the responsibility, experience, challenges, and conclusion. So in this one, I am responsible for integrated teams and share PowerPoint, added collaboration features, and alert setup. If I talk about the experiences, so I thrived in integrating teams with SharePoint and learning about collaboration tools. So in this one, I faced some challenges like experience difficulty with managing real-time ticket tracking and alert system. But in the conclusion, it had a positive experience, especially in app integration and feature functionality. So in the next slide, there are some demonstration of key site app characteristics, which are like training hub demo, submit ticket feature, mobile interface, search, and frequently asked question. Here are we added some two questions like how does the app handle issue when employee cannot find the right training resources. So the employee submit ticket which are tracked and resolved promptly. All these are related to the website that my team leader Abhimanyu told in previous slides. And here's the conclusion that the KMS training help desk app offer streamlined training, ticket submission, knowledge sharing features, and this app also play a vital role in enhancing the employees' engagement, which is very important for every firm. And the KMS adaptation, efficient knowledge management system, everything. And in the last, the app significantly improved knowledge sharing, employee training, and overall the use of KMS. So thank you so much, Professor. Thank you. That's the end of our slides.
भाई अब उसको देख कितने मिनट की है?
स्टॉप तो कर दूं.